Good morning, class. How are you all, students of class 3? Once again, I welcome you all in my SST class. Children, already you know that we already had finished chapter 2. So, in this class, I am going to discuss with you all objective question answer of the chapter. Okay, the name of the chapter is How Our Earth Looks. Okay, so children, let's start the class. Come to the A section. Tick the correct answers. First question is, children, a model of the earth is called A or an A atlas, B globe, C sketch. Answer will be, children, B globe. Okay. Model of the earth is called A globe. Okay. Second question, large water bodies are called A seas, B oceans, C rivers. Answer will be, children, B oceans. Large water bodies are known as oceans. Okay. Now children, move to the question number 3rd. Which is the largest ocean? A. Indian Ocean, B. Pacific Ocean, C. Atlantic Ocean. Answer will be here, children, B. Pacific Ocean. The largest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Fourth question. Which is the largest continent? A. Asia, B. Africa, C. Europe. Answer is, children, A. Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Fifth question, children. India lies in which continent? Options are A. Africa, B. Asia, C. Europe. Answer will be, children, B. Asia. India lies in Asian continent. Okay. Now children, move to the B section. Fill in the blanks. Choose words from the box. Words are given. You have to choose words from the box. Okay. First question. A globe is the model of the dash. Answer will be, children, Earth. A globe is a model of the Earth. Second question. A book of maps is called an dash. A book of maps is called an atlas. Okay, children. Third question. Wall maps are the maps that we hang on the walls. Answer will be, children, wall maps. Okay. Fourth question. The dash part on the globe shows water and the dash part shows the land on the earth. Answer will be, blue part on the globe shows water and the brown part shows the land on the earth. Okay. C section. True and false. First question. A globe shows different cities, countries, etc. on the earth. It's a true statement, children. Please write here true. Second question. Small maps can be hanged on the walls. Children, it's a false statement. Because small maps can be kept in the pockets also. Okay. They can be folded. They can be kept anywhere in the pockets also. Okay. So this statement is false. Please write there false. Okay. Third question. 71% of the earth is covered with land. This statement is also false statement because 71% of the earth is covered with water. Okay. Fourth question, children. Asia is the largest continent. Asia is the largest continent. Children, this is a true statement. Yes, in Asia is the largest continent in the world. In fourth number, you will write true. Fifth question, children. Arctic Ocean is the largest ocean. Please write here false, children, because Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Okay. Sixth question. The Pacific Ocean is the smallest ocean. Children, please write here false, because Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, not the smallest one. Okay. D section. Match the following. You can see, children, pictures are given. You have to match. Atlas, you will match it with B. Okay. This is atlas, children. You can see here, this is book of maps atlas. Please match it with B. Second is globe. Match it with A. Okay, children, match it with A. This is a globe picture. You will match second number with A. Third is, children, compass. Here you can see in the D, compass. Okay. This is the picture of compass. Okay. Please match third with D. Okay. Fourth is, children, wall maps. In C, you can see wall map. Okay. The picture of wall map is given. So please match fourth number with C. Okay, children. So children, that's all for today. We will meet in our next class video. Till then, children, must take care. Be safe at home. Bye-bye and thanks for watching my video.